This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
In a place where cotton and crops were once thriving, cars are now king. This is Blue Springs, a sprawling Toyota assembly plant near Tupelo, Mississippi, a town once noted as the birthplace of Elvis Presley. Now it is where Toyota builds Corollas, lots of them. In fact, they've turned out more than 1 million units since the plant opened in 2007. It was originally designed to build the Prius and Highland crossover, before finally assembling the all-time sales leader, the Corolla sedan. So, what's next?
So I'm very grateful today. I'm grateful to know that the 1,500 team members will have more team members here, that nearly 2,000 Mississippians will be working here in this remarkable Toyota plant in the very near future.
The additional jobs will be the result of a $170 million investment to expand and upgrade the plant. That means a whole new assembly line system for the place as it builds the 12th generation Corolla. The expansion will also include a state-of-the-art training facility and visitor center. But that means finding and cultivating a workforce.
We do have a really good program with the local community college where a person comes here and works 3 days, goes to college for 2 days, and in 2 years they have their technical degree and a job.
Sean Suggs is leading this transformation and upgrade in Tupelo. Now a veteran of Toyota, his journey to this point had a humble beginning.
I started at Toyota 20 years ago as a new hire team leader online. 8 promotions later, I stand before you or sit before you as the president of one of the manufacturing companies.
Today he oversees operations at a highly automated facility where robots dubbed Auto deliver parts to technicians using just-in-time technology. Yet with all of the technology and automated systems, management is smart enough to know what really makes the plant successful.
I just want to let you know that the people that are surrounding you right now, the team members that you see above this wall, the team members that you see in the back, that's the secret sauce.
With plans calling for the project to be completed by 2020, who knows what kind of vehicle will be coming off the assembly line by that time. This is Greg Morrison.
We want to know what you think, so email us. The address is bumpertobumpertv@cs.com.